Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Savannah says, if you only knew. The Indignation Collective songbird Savannah yesterday announced the release of her EP, Be Somebody, with the first single, If You Only Knew. The song, which features a melodious rhythm and focuses on the central theme of going the distance for love, sees Savannah filming scenes for the single in Senegal and Portland in Jamaica. If You Only Knew is Savannah's major label debut since signing with RCA Records in partnership with Indignation Collective and Six Course Records, and sets the stage for Savannah's forthcoming 6-track EP Be Somebody. Be Somebody will be released on July 31 and features work from established and upcoming producers including Izzy Beats and Protégé. Now, Bob Marley's One Love to be reimagined for UNICEF. Members of the Marley family will reimagine Bob Marley's iconic anthem One Love to support UNICEF's Reimagine campaign, a global fundraising appeal to respond, recover and reimagine a fairer, more just world for children whose lives have been upended by the COVID-19 pandemic. Tough Gong International and Amplified Music will release a new version of the song on July 17, which will feature members of the Marley family, established musicians from all corners of the globe, artists from conflict zones around the world, and children living in vulnerable communities. All proceeds will help UNICEF provide soap, masks, gloves, hygiene kits, protective equipment, and life-saving information for the children and families, support near-term recovery efforts, including by supporting education, protection and healthcare systems, and further UNICEF work. Originally recorded in 1977 by Bob Marley and the Wailers, the iconic One Love, People Get Ready is an everlasting message to come together as one. Now overseas, actress Naya Rivera is missing and presumed dead in a Southern California lake after officials found her 4-year-old son floating alone on their rented boat yesterday afternoon. Rivera reportedly went to the lake on Wednesday in a rented boat with her young child. However, about 3 hours after they left the dock, another boat had discovered the boat drifting with the child asleep on board. The child was wearing a life vest, however, an adult life vest was found on the boat. The search and rescue mission is ongoing. Rivera is best known for her breakout role in the TV series Glee and being the former fiancé of rapper Big Sean. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.